Hello, everyone. This is Daniel Higgins coming to you. And there's some great, amazing news that was just released by our CEO and founder of Karatbars International, Dr. Harald Seiz. So we just got to jump right in and hear this great information. So let me go ahead and get this started.
Hello everyone, this is Harald Seiz, CEO and founder, Karatbars International. Today I have some good news for you. Right now we are producing our new product. We received our first CashGold exchange machine, the CEM. And from October we start with the delivery around the whole world.
This is a video on how to use the Karatbars machine. We are going to show you the options. You have 3 on the main screen. We are going to go for the redeem QR code. Here you have 2 options. We're going to go for the Karatbars CashGold. And now we have to scan the QR code from our account. We have 8 options here to choose an amount which we want. I'm gonna go for the 5 and I'm going to agree with the terms and conditions and hit next step. And here we have 5 CashGold. Okay, so this is the Karatbars. You can easily recognize it by its logo and the colors. Of course, gold is our color. This is the confirmation page from our transaction.
And here you can see our new IMpulse K1 phone. It's based on a completely new technology. It fully encrypted all informations like your text, voices, medias and documents. Also, our data is encrypted on the IPFS platform. Everything you transmit will be encrypted and visible to only the user you want. Besides of this, you will get a lot of other possibilities with this phone. The telecommunication market is a $1 trillion market. This market is divided in 5 important continents. So in September you get your phone, you will be excited. The next point is our CashGold. I want to show you how we produce our CashGold here in Stuttgart. So now here is our brand new CashGold machine. We produce here in Stuttgart our CashGold for you, for the people in the whole world. And here you see we have the application. They fix the gold element on the foil. Then the robot fix the gold element. After that we have the DNA application and then the glue fixation. And after this, we have the CashGold already. So, and now, ladies and gentlemen, the 4th of July was a big day for Karatbars. Everyone can change 100 coins in 1 gram. And a lot of people did it. You see it here.
And we are so happy to be here to witness history being made today, Golden Independence Day. We're so excited to be here. I've already exchanged my KBC coins, 100 of them, into pure physical gold, as our CEO and founder, Mr. Harald Seiz, promised.
see everything is on the way, everything coming out, and very fast, very soon. Yeah. And on this point, I will say thank you for all the leaders they trust Karatbars since 8 years. And thank you very much. This was a fantastic journey with you. And I can say congratulations, the people. They are a long time in Karatbars. They are financially independent. And you will see, if you go your way, you go straight, you look not right and not left, you go straight, you will reach your goal. Because some people, they give some messages. On the other side, if you have your focus on this, what you want, then you get everything what you want. I will say thank you very much for listening and see you in September. He was Harald Seiz, CEO and founder Karatbars International.
Just some amazing news, guys, directly from our CEO, as he mentioned. We look forward to hosting him here in Atlanta. He will be with us in September. He just indicated he'll see us in September. And I want to show you guys some great information and also invite you guys out. We have 2 amazing events in Atlanta. One will be hosting, and we will have the CEO of Karatbars International flying in from Stuttgart, Germany this Saturday, July 20th. We have a special event with our CEO and founder of our group, Wealth Builders Worldwide. This Saturday, he has been financially free for over 24 years. That's Mr. Ty Best. We have a host of other amazing leaders that are going to be with us this Saturday. And like I mentioned, you are invited. It is an event where everyone can come in free. Affiliates are $10. And also, as indicated by the CEO and founder of Karatbars International, he said, see you in September. So Atlanta, Georgia, we get to host the amazing Dr. Harald Seiz in September. You don't want to miss it. It is called Let's Go Weekend 9. The title is Limitless. You do not want to miss this live event where Dr. Harald Seiz is going to be flying in from Stuttgart, Germany. We have the Georgia International Convention Center as our venue once again. Last event, Let's Go Weekend 8, was completely packed out. So please get your tickets early if you're an affiliate and if you want to join us on that Saturday. But Friday, September 26th is absolutely free for everyone. You want to make it right there to that event. You don't want to miss these 2 events, especially the Let's Go Weekend Limitless in September, okay? So I hope to see you guys this Saturday. We're going to have an amazing event. Last time, the event was completely packed out, and we only had standing room only. So I'm expecting the same for this new event. So thank you for listening to this YouTube. If you have any comments, absolutely place them at the bottom of there, and we will definitely get back to you. And we love comments. We love to interact with our followers. So get back with whoever's sharing Karatbars International with you. If that person is me and you want to take advantage of this new money system that has already been created with those CashGold machines, CEMs, CashGold machines, you can actually participate in this wealth transfer that is actively happening right now. Visit kickstartyourdreams.net. Our website is kickstartyourdreams.net, and it'll also be shown at the bottom of this YouTube. Thank you for your time, and as I mentioned, like, share, and subscribe.